Stone Boy. You get popo here. What feel Ojogban? Stone Boy, what feel Ojogban? Yo, Mama Yeko. You want to shut up? Wale Mumba Yeko. Yo, wanga mancheme, wanga manche, ni manche kobu, wanga mofemo. Okay, afi, ya ni ibani. Koni alon tediku, ikaba 14. What do I on here song? Want to wakanya ke? In a special Hɔmɔwɔ greeting. It's a special live program coming from the towers of Sweet Mother Towers. And we are Klagombia no. Bien actually beloved city. Oh, be ni ubalaje. When you clan a castle. Ke oja police station oba Drummond after ni clan a castle. Klagon Castle. The Klagon Palace. I like to call it the castle. It's too big to be a palace. It's a castle. So you can't miss Sweet Mother. We are here for you. The Sweet Mother Multimedia School is here for you. We want to actually inform all from the junior high school graduates who are still contemplating on what career to actually get into. If you're confused about what career you want to enter into, please don't hesitate. We have personnel who will be going around certain schools within the community to actually orient students who have interest in multimedia business. They want to be a newscaster, a film scriptwriter, an actor. You want to be a choreographer, a radio presenter, a disc jockey, an MC. If you're an artist, actually underground, or smaller underground. We believe that everything here on earth has a purpose from heaven. You know, you can talent a woman. You are Charlie underground expansion. One by far. We call them Sweet Mother Discoveries. These are talent discoveries. I came of Yeshka. If you're Bonnie Ubana. Everybody is rich. It's like how you discover your riches. What I wish. We are FAB. On our famous fine. Enter into the Play Store. Download the application Sweet Mother Radio, Sweet Mother TV. That is what we're talking about. In a ham of fame, or your beer, or your clagon, or your tama, or your tashin, or your gamashin, or your kanashin, bubuashin, if I know your okay, afi. From here, Sweet Mother family, we say God bless everyone. If you don't hear of me, my name is Jonny Deeper. When you try me, Oko, no one gave me Oko. It is God brought me with Oko because I am a twin. Very soon we'll be launching the Sweet Mother Children Foundation. I will go. I will Lepe Ebi no Eko Lena Cheno Keme Kunkukumano. If I feel when I back in Yami, man, Kunkukumano put him back where okay, Sanjieva, of an ambulance, few Lella Namabu, few. Give me like John Milalane in Lakabu. I dedicate this song to my mom, my sweet mother, Awo Cecilia. Awo Cecilia Kabu Kuo. Inyawo, Awo no, Inyawo. Kissy me, jolly kissy me. Okay, so we sign up very soon. We thank all the production crew. From my technical producer, Captain Leonardo DiCaprio. To my program's director, Master Richard himself. To the entire crew, the production management, I want to thank Mojaka. Also the concept builders, Sweet Mother Mind, Sweet Mother Gemoson. So I want to say bye bye with a song. I'm signing out and I say afi to everyone. May God bless you and be careful. I love the jingle, baby. Bye bye.